Alright, so you guys have been requesting more DD on the channel over price predictions, so I did some digging so you didn't have to. All I ask in return is to smash the like, hit that subscribe button, let's get into it. Alright, so there's a few things I find pretty interesting and substantial for a video right now, and that is the threshold securities list. As many of you know, 13 consecutive trading days on a threshold securities list. The failure to delivers against this given ticker are forced to cover. As many of you know, APE has been on the threshold list. It was on there the 31st, September 2nd, and now August 31st, September 1st, and September 2nd now. Now, if this is on for 10 more days, which will bring us to the Monday of September 19th, this will force failure to delivers to cover on this stock, essentially, in my opinion, giving it a chance to have a decent short squeeze or a short squeeze thesis at least, and at least some run-ups as well. So this is going to be interesting to watch and to pay attention to say the least. I don't want to give you hopium, but it's interesting because we've been tracking all these meme stocks to run late September, and this would line up perfectly, essentially leading the pack if this does come to fruition. The next thing I wanted to go over is the GameStop meme stock movie called Dumb Money that is going to be filmed this month with Seth Rogen and Pete Davidson. This is awesome. It's pretty much a movie about how the Redditors came together, the quote-unquote Redditors, the quote-unquote dumb money came together, and they forced short sellers to cover on this stock. They screwed over short sellers, and it's pretty much just all about GameStop. But the fact that we do have a movie about us in general, it just really excites me, and I'll probably go to an AMC theaters to watch this movie and maybe even have like some sort of meetup or something like that. But this is just super sick. And if many of you don't know Seth Rogen, you're either living under a rock or you just don't watch a lot of movies. But he was in a few of my favorites, Superbad, Neighbors, and The Interview. Seth Rogen is just an awesome actor, awesome dude. And I'm just happy they got two awesome actors to actually play out this movie for us. So that's the next thing I wanted to go over. And the third thing is stock picking hedge funds poised for worst year. Okay, so hedge funds, I don't know why this isn't getting off my screen. Stock picking hedge funds poised for worst performance in 10 years. And if you read through this article, it says globally funds that buy and sell stocks have seen their cumulative returns drop 12.24% in 12 months. Ending July 31st, investment data provider Preqin said year-to-date cumulative returns for 2022 were down 11.42%. Now, if you scroll down this article, you're going to see cumulative hedge fund returns by trading strategy. So actively managed macro, systematic macro, and relative value are all the highest ones. If you go over here, you will see that the macro sector is when the economy is in economic chaos and is overall just doing bad. It's pattern reading, and it kind of just they play the overall sentiment like retail does. So they have gone positive trading like that, but the regular strategies that they've been doing for years on end is failing for them. And I just wonder why. I wonder if we actually do have some sort of impact in this, but you can see that 6%, 4%, 3%, this 13% them going positive doesn't really incorporate to the 18% right here that they're actually going negative. So overall, cumulatively, they are down 5%. Hedge funds are trash right now. Anybody who's putting their money in hedge funds don't really know what's going on, and retail is winning over hedge funds. So if you've been making green trades, if you've been making profitable trades all year during this whipsaw of a market, you are beating hedge funds, and you are just a savage in general. But that is it, guys. This is the few things I wanted to touch on in this video. I thought were actually pretty important and pretty super sick. I could put this out on the weekend when all this other stuff with the market and the charts isn't going on and isn't happening. So yeah, we have a new movie coming out about us. We have APE on the threshold securities list for the third day, and we have hedge funds crashing and doing terrible, worst performance in over 10 years. That is what I got for you for DD for this video. If you've taken anything out of it, consider smashing that like, hit that subscribe, and dropping a comment down below. We've started a new thing where if you drop a comment down below of your ticker you want me to analyze a buy or sell, I make a YouTube short about it and post it on the channel. So I think it's pretty fun, and I think it helps you guys out. So I do appreciate it if you do leave your ticker down below and smash the like in return. But make sure to have post notifications on so you can see your personalized YouTube short about your given ticker. That is it, guys. Make sure to get your 10 free stocks. Link in the description. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.